not to say, nagagalit si Coach Roger. Permanente ng galit yan. Normal na ho yan. Yung kilay na yun, normal na ho yan.
Kilala mo si Coach Roger.
Kayo pa noon.
I know. Wow.
Pero alam lang ko kay Coach Roger. Set, brought to you by East West Bank, the official bank of the PBL All-Filipino Conference. We'll talk about Coach Roger when we return. I think we've arrived at the first technical break. Hindi ko kasali si Coach Roger. Was such a participant in your college life set.
Yes. Hindi pa uso TikTok na.
Oh, hindi pa. In the meantime, back to action. Sing, yes, gets it to Biden. It's blocked away and out.
And you know, Sing.
Bless din po.
Eh.
In the meantime, that's an overpass. Muntik madali, pero ito, oh! Natawa na.
Sorry. I love that. No. Comedy talaga itong si Panaga, no?
Oo naman. Nangiti, hindi naman na-disappoint yung Aljas. Ito, sabi pa, ako, sobra, anong tawag, lampas.
I think they're
Challenge.
for a check ball.
Hindi na siguro maaga pa.
Long. It was actually Kyle.
Okay.
Nakita niya
So
siguro.
may challenge nga.
Long touch from not. Lamang naman.
Let's use one. Pons. Negrito. Whoa, what a set. Huli si Eliza sa taas. Pons resets. Carlos misses the corner.
Pag ano eh, you know, recover ka, mag-therapy ka, mag-workout ka. Pero when it's game time, iba rin talaga.
Ah, good point. Kasi yung you hesitate, yung approach mo is it the same. It's different in practice eh.
Yes.
In the meantime, Pons is parang libero. Carlos hits it against the block. It's outside.
The block of Capital One there established. And it was easy for Coach to check out.
When you're there, do you actually see?
Madaling magpa-check out. Lalo na pag mataas yung block.
Okay. Wala nada. Genesis. And we have action at the net. And Capital One takes the point here. 10 points so far. But the production too low and too slow for Capital One.
Isa sa mga weakness nila, yung they have to really convert their attacks to points.
Yes. And it just can't be all attacks. But Eliza Valdez, that's what she does best. And Spike of the Sun is brought to you by Duncan. Pasalubong ng bayan. When you first played with Eliza, what was your immediate impression?
Actually, we played together in She was a high school, skinny, lanky kid. Ano kaya, hindi pa siya ganyan na pilong.
Okay.
Yeah. High school pa lang kami.
Any amount lang po.
We will have that, and whoever wins the qualifying round will go into the quarterfinals. But don't worry, yung mga natalo sa qualifying round, we have the play-in tournament where the bottom teams still has a chance. And whoever wins, mapapanood niyo pa rin sila sa play-in tournament if ever. And of course, after quarterfinals, we'll have our semifinals and finals.
Don't you love that word, preliminary? I can't even say it.
Oh my,
Diba?
it's a tongue twister. Preliminary round.
Preliminary round. Next is?
Sir Seven Phil, can you hear me now? Napakalakas ng audience. This is an overall coach's decision. Coach Roger is trying something new and also posing a challenge to the rest of the smaller spikers in terms of point contribution. Let's see the surprises Capital One has for us. Like what they said, yeah, new year, new team, back to set one.
Coaches come up with those kinds of combinations. Through to mop up a slick portion of the floor. Just give you the score, 18-13. Go ahead, please. Sorry.
Actually, maganda rin yung mag-mix up ng lineup and rotation.
That's so true.
Kasi super, as I said, yung format ng league na to, this conference, is napaka-time din in this conference.
And because you never know where injuries or some emergencies will happen, you need everybody ready. Tots Carlos overcooks this. And she's, nagsusukat si Tots.
Yes.
Sinusukat din niya.
Yung palo na doon yung power.
Dati yung explosiveness
Yes, yun.
nung
Exactly.
first two niya, nakita mo agad eh. Pons. So, that's a wicked shot.
And big Pons. Ang ganda ng wrist niya.
Lalong nag-improve yan nung nag-beach volleyball yan. Kasi alam mo naman ang beach volleyball.
Yes, mas mahirap.
Tons of yan.
Hindi pwede yung i-power
Ay,
kasi
hindi.
mag-outside. Gumabaw in?
For the first time here today.
May Michelle Gubabaw pa sila.
Oo.
After Tots Carlos.
Oh, parang kulang ng player eh.
Oo.
In the meantime, here's the set.
And Bonafel actually, 4-2.
Yes, is also there on the floor for the first time as Tolenada keeps it in play. Number two shot kept in play. Pons is loading up. Caught by Doroman. Sing fires away. It's hot. She gets it to go. And Sing already with 4 points.
Kanina pa, against Streamline.
Parang You know it's coming, but you're not able to do much about the serve. Oh, hurts you when you're trying to get a rally going, really.
And I think that's their third. Capital One's third service error. Ayun na.
Tatlo, tama. Galing magbilang. Five, oh.
Yay!
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you.
Pagka 12, 14, ewan ko pag nabilang niya, no? Bilib ako sa'yo. Pero it feels like, no? Yung
Yes.
parang ang dami na.
Sayang kasi yung errors nila.
And that's the weapon, your first weapon, eh. Sing.
Oh.
Hits the antenna.
Mahirap pa rin yung angle na yun.
Akan ka agad dyan. Doesn't happen all the time. Tolerana sends some Genesis. Rather awkward, but they get it through. Negrito, Carlos. Nice dive to the floor. Genesis resets and nowhere to go. We're done.
Yes.